Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up your Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inches 6th generation. This is a device from 2022 a little bit because it is a fast device, of course. But if you are continue using every day a lot of application on this system, and these applications um, are not completely shut down, after a period of time, it will slow down your system a little bit. For example, if you're going to use an app, for example, this app here, if you finish the work with that app, you can make it off by going back to the home screen. You think so. But no, it is still running in the background. So if you continue using a lot of thousands of hundreds of apps, there is a big bunch of apps which are still running in the background of the device. And of course, after a long period of time, after hundreds of apps, it will slow down your device a little bit. Of course, it is not so easy to find still running app in the background easily, because you will see here we slide up in the center and then leave it go. Now we can see here a lot of apps are still running, and our picture app here is still running too, as you can see. It is not in focus, of course, but it is still in the background, still running, and it needs a little bit of your random access memory. And here you can see a lot of it are possible to running in the background. To shut down the app completely, only take fingers and swipe it upward. If you like to close all, to accelerate a little bit in speed, you have to do this each app, because Apple does not have a button to shut down all the apps in one push. So we are now closing all apps. Now no app is still running in the background, and this perform a little bit of speed. Then you should delete apps which you're not using for approximately an half year. Then you should delete them from your device, of course, because if you delete them, they are not lost, but you have them not right on this iPad again, but you can still download them from the App Store. No problem for it. So let's search one, for example. Here we are. Let's delete one app, or let's make another. We push and hold it. Now you can see you can adjust the home screen, and then you can navigate it to another place, of course. But there's more. If you finished here, push again. Then, of course, you can remove it from the area by delete the app. Then you can choose delete the app or leave it from the home screen. Okay, let's now leave it from the home screen. But now it is not deleted from the system. So let's go to the right side. And now we are searching for the app again. And the app is already there in the bunch of apps which you have installed. Okay, so let's have a look where it is. We can search over the app library, searching, of course, or you go to productivity, and there it is, shortcuts. Okay, now we can push there and we get back it out to the home screen. Here it is. You can see it was not deleted from the entire system. It was only remove the icon. But to delete it completely, push and hold and then remove the app. And after this, delete app. Not remove from the home screen, delete the app. Then deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in the iCloud will not be deleted, of course. So you can perform this, no problem. You can get it back from the App Store, no problem for it. So you can see there are a little bit power to make it a little bit faster, to make it will makes a long time running time. Maybe you go slide down and go a little bit down with the brightness. This helps the battery stays longer in service. And of course you can volume down a little bit. This is a longer battery life too for your device. So you can see you can perform a little bit to make a longer range of running time and a little bit speed up your iPad 6th generation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.